Not sure I like this packaging very well. Packaging wasn't the best. So anyway, we got the camcorder here, wrapped in some bubble wrap. It's a pretty camera. It's a nice camera. Looks good. Looks like an additional shoe for adding mics and such. Your battery. Micro USB. USB charging cable looks like. The wall plug. Instruction manual. And this is ultimately the HDMI cord required to watch video on high def TVs. So pretty cool. That's all that's in the box. Looking forward to using this camcorder, especially given the fact that it's supposed to be really good in low light situations.